the next level to compete
Ooh.
statewide.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good luck to them. All right, it's 6:40 and we're taking a live look with some raindrops on the lens there. This is by the Challenger Learning Center in downtown Tallahassee. And we're looking for better weather today, right? And yesterday,
It
just a little
almost
better.
looks the same as yesterday, but we're, he said be patient. So Rob,
We'll try.
What's happening for today?
And almost anything's got to be better than yesterday.
That is
Exactly.
true.
Gray and gloomy and damp and wet all day. We're starting off a little milder today, closer to 50. Highs should get into the 60s, so that's improvement right there. We will gradually get rid of these clouds and whatever lingering showers are still out there, but we can see some green on the radar. Northern parts of Leon County and Jefferson County and Madison County, and now into southern parts of Brooks and Lowndes, we've got some showers. I even see a couple more down towards the coast. So we do have some showers still with this residual moisture, and we've got all these stubborn clouds, and it's going to probably take most of the morning to scour some of these away. I do think we'll get some sunshine later. But again, it's going to take a while. This is a slow and gradual kind of clearing. Most of the higher pressure and drier air is going to stay way off to our north, but so is most of the cooler air this time. We're at 49 at the Tallahassee Airport with a light rain coming down. It's 51 in Valdosta, plenty of clouds. Thomasville, we're at 46, a little breeze from the north too, and that breeze will try to bring in some drier air throughout the day. The cool spots are north and west, up in Dothan and Blakely, where it's 41 and 42. I see a 51 in Valdosta, a 50 in Perry, more 50s for Lafayette, for Cross City, and for Apalachicola. Quincy's checking in at 48 degrees this morning. Not everybody breezy, but I think we'll notice that wind at times, and that's been doing a pretty good job of limiting the fog. Most visibility's up near 10 miles. There's still energy to our south. That boundary still moving through the area, and until it is done with us, and that's later this morning, we keep the stubborn clouds around. The first batch of higher pressure really stays to the north. We'll watch for some new energy to the south and another boundary to try to get here late in the day Friday night. Maybe it can bring with it a couple of showers. I'm not convinced that's going to happen yet, but I do see cooler air on the other side of that boundary, and this one should get through a little bit cleaner, a little bit faster. And what that likely does for us is brings in some cold for the weekend. I think today, tomorrow, Friday, there'll be some breaks of clear, but there'll still be some stubborn clouds. Maybe tomorrow, the brightest looking day of the next 3. And then once we get to the other side of that next boundary on Saturday, we clear right up. But that's going to pave the way for some cool temperatures, especially Sunday morning, when I think we're looking at numbers below freezing again. On the Gulf today, winds out of the northeast 12 to 22, so a little breezy out there. Seas 2 to 5 feet. We've got the high tides first up this morning. They're going to get underway about 7:40, 7:45 this morning. 40s and 50s, cloudy and damp. Those showers still possible out there in some spots. We'll get rid of those showers this afternoon and hopefully get rid of some of those clouds too. 60s where we're going for daytime highs. 40s again tonight, maybe back near 40, depending on how much clearing we are able to get. And as we go through the next few days, a little more mild before that next boundary and that next chance for some cold air that likely brings with it a cold start Sunday.